making a spicy adobo with egg in it. So I'm going to show you what I have here in front of me, and I just want to tell you that some of the ingredients I don't have. I forgot to get it. Okay, pork. I don't know how many kilo is this. I have pork belly, and I have here eggs, 6 eggs, and I have peppercorn, vinegar, and then soy, and the chili. And I have measuring cup over here. So let's put the meat in here. And the next thing I'm going to do is put the vinegar, 1 cup of vinegar. I do vinegar. Okay. And then 1 cup of soy. There's the 1 cup of soy. Add it right here. I don't add water in this one, guys. Okay, and then I put the peppercorn. It's still burning, but it's thick. I will show you this. A lot of corn. So I put the peppercorn in there. If you have bay leaves, you can put the bay leaves already. But if you have also, guys, if you have the scallion, dahon sibuyas, clean it and cut it in half. Before you put the meat, you put the scallion under, and then you put the meat on top of the scallion. Because I don't have those, I just let you know that how I usually do it. And I put a lot of garlic. The next thing I'm going to add is the egg. I'm going to put the egg here. So I put that just like that, and then so it's right here. So I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna put it on high, and then when this start boiling, you put it to low. When it start boiling, you have to lower it down and then cover it. So now it's kind of boiling now, guys. So I'm gonna put it to the level 4, and then I will cover it. Anyway, guys, I just get rid of the egg before I mixed it, and then I will put back the egg. I'm just gonna let it cook until the water, the juice, it reduces a little bit, and then I will be right back. I'm gonna just take this meat, put it right here. Yeah, put everything here. Separate the juice and the meat. I'm going to turn it on and put a very little oil, a small amount of oil. That's it, a very small amount of oil, because this pork is going to release more oil. We're going to put this pork here, guys, to the pan. Okay, I will be right back. You have to fry this, guys, to make a brown. This is brown already, but I like to be frying, like to have a little crunch. I'm gonna like make it crunchy a little bit in the outer part. And okay, guys, I get rid some of the oil on top because the season is down here. So I get rid some of the oil, and I will put it back right here. Just for a reminder, guys, if you have oyster sauce, you put oyster sauce here. You can put oyster sauce in this one, very little only, very small amount of oyster sauce. This is my humba. I'm gonna put the egg back here, and I will mix it, but you know, be careful. Last thing that you put this jalapeno, the chili. and you put that in there, and then you just like, don't squeeze it. If you are good with, like, you know, squeezing the how do you call this, the jalapeno, if you can handle it, then it's good. But if you can't, don't squeeze it. This is my humba, guys, and I'm just gonna leave it alone for a few minutes. Okay guys, this is it. I'm going to end this now. I mean, I'm going to shut it off and then move this right here. Here's my humba, guys. Kain tayo.